Hello dear students, welcome to the English class of the supplementary reading. I am Ankit and I am from Jai Somnath English Medium School. Let us start with the lesson, The Lost Child. It is written by Mulkraj Anand. Now in this chapter there is a child who is going in the fair, Mela, and that fair is of the spring season. So while going to the fair, he is very fascinated with all the petals that is there in the roots and the flies that are flying, but he is always lagging behind. So his mother is calling, "Come child, come," and the child is walking between his father and the mother. When he enters the fair, he enters into the whole whirlpool of the fair, and at the first he gets the sight to the toy shop, but he knows that his father would deny him. Second, he wanted to eat sweets, but he knew that his father would say no. Then he heard the voice of the snake charmer's instrument, but he was knowing that his father has told him not to go and see such things. Then he saw the balloons of the different colors, but he knew that his father would deny him, giving this reason or stating the reason that he is too big for such toys. Then he saw one big roundabout, वो झूला होता है बड़ा सा. So he saw, and with all his guts he asked his parents कि भाई मेरे को इसमें बैठना है, want to sit in that roundabout. So when he asked 2 or 3 times, he didn't get the answer. And then he saw at the back, वो पीछे मुड़ के देखा. So no parents were there, nor mother, neither the father was standing. So he became very desperate and he started crying. His clothes and everything was sobbing in the sweat. अब वो छोटा बच्चा था तो डर तो लगा. अब जब हम छोटे होते हैं और समझो कि कहीं फेयर में और टेम्पल में और किसी बड़ी सी इवेंट में गए होते हैं और अचानक से हम खो जाए, तो our parents also become very worried and desperate and we also start crying. हम भी छोटे थे तो ऐसा होता था कि अगर मम्मी पापा थोड़ा एक यहाँ वहाँ हो जाए तो हमको भी टेंशन हो जाती थी, ठीक है, बिकॉज स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन दे डोंट नो एनीथिंग एंड दे डोंट नो अबाउट द एड्रेसेस एंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ देयर हाउस. So what happened here is that he started crying. He jostled among the people and he went to temple. तो वहाँ उसने जोर जोर से रोते देख, there was one kind man. He took him. He said, "Whose child are you? And why are you crying so dearly?" So he said, "I want my mother, I want my father." He said in a shrill voice. अब तो उसकी आवाज़ भी नहीं निकल रही थी. So first thing he said, to make his attention diverted from his cry of father and mother, the kind-hearted man gave him all the options at the first what he wanted, but the child only cried for one thing, that he wanted his father, he wanted his mother. अब लेसन चालू शुरू करते हैं हम लोग. Now happiness of the fair. Now it was the spring season. After the winter, before starting of summer, spring season is there. So in the major part of North India, the spring fair happens. So the child was passing through the mustard field, and the yellowish color of the petals of the mustard field flowers he was running through that field, and he was watching the butterflies and the flies which are there. So always he was lagging behind from his parents. Always he was lagging behind from his parents. So his parents would call him, "Come child, come." When he entered the fair, the idea of the fair was overwhelming him. He was so joyful that he is going to the fair and he will do this, he will do that. Moreover, when he entered with the fair, with the joy, he entered the fair with the joy. उसको बहुत खुशी हो रही थी कि चलो आज मेले में तो आए हैं. The first thing he saw was the toy shop. Now whenever if you are going to the fair and if you see the toy which you wanted to buy, you will tell your parents that father or mother, those if you are going with both of them, then you will tell them that, or either you go with father or either you go with your mother, you will tell them that please buy me the toy, and the father mother is always kind to the child and they will buy it. Here he wanted to buy the toy, but his parents refused. His father had a red eye on him and he understood that this is a part of denial. Second part, sweet shops have different sweets. Now second shop which he saw in the display of the fair was of sweets. There he saw, जैसे वो मिठाई की दुकान होती है जिसमें बहुत सारी स्वीट्स लगती है और ऊपर वो एल्यूमिनियम कवरिंग होती है या फिर गोल्डन कवरिंग होती है, बर्फी, गुलाब जामुन, लड्डूज. Okay, so there were so many jalebis, rasgullas were there and so many sweets were there, but he knew that his father would deny him this also, so he did not ask. Then he wanted the balloons. He said that please, I wanted that different colored balloon which were resembling to the rainbow. उसने बोला वो balloons मुझे दिलाओ please. So his parents told that you are too older to play with the balloons. बोले आपकी उम्र इतनी नहीं है कि अब आप बलून से खेलो. So this was also denied. Then comes, he saw a snake charmer. The snake charmer was playing with his instrument and the show of the snake was there. Now this is before time. Now the snake charmers and the snake to appear in the public is banned because the forest officers, they come and they take the snake and they put it in their natural habitat. So before that time, in previous time, the snake charmer was playing and he heard that music. The people were swirl around the snake charmer. उसके आजू बाजू खड़े हो गए snake charmer के, लेकिन वो बच्चा नहीं गया. He knew that his father would deny him that you should not go in such kind of the things and you do not watch such kind of a thing. So he said that he will not go and he did not ask for going to the snake charmer and watching it. Then happened what? That he saw a place where the गुलमोहर गार्लैंड वॉज सेल्ड आउट. वो गुलमोहर का हार, गुलमोहर के फूलों का हार, जनरली ये स्प्रिंग सीजन में होता है गुलमोहर, तो वो गुलमोहर गार्लैंड था. तो उसने बोला कि प्लीज फादर बाय मी दैट पार्ट. सो ही सेड दैट यू आर नॉट सो एज दैट यू हैव टू बाय सच अ अनयूजफुल थिंग. बोले आप गुलमोहर का गार्लैंड लेके क्या करोगे. तो ये भी उसको डिनाई हो गया. अब उसने बोला कि अब क्या हुआ कि उसने एक बड़ा सा राउंड अबाउट देखा. बराबर, उसने बड़ा सा राउंड अबाउट देखा. ही वॉज वॉकिंग विद द पेरेंट्स एंड वेन एवर ही वॉज सीइंग द शॉप ही वॉज फैसिनेटेड टू बाय दैट स्टफ. तो ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग टू सी दैट स्टफ. अब वो उसको देखने के लिए खड़ा हो जाता था ऐसा. सो बाय दिस ही वॉज लैगिंग बिहाइंड. वो पीछे रह जाता था अपने पेरेंट्स से. सो द पेरेंट्स वर कॉलिंग हिम कम चाइल्ड कम, कम चाइल्ड कम. नाउ coming at one point of time, he saw one roundabout. उसने वो झूला देखा. He saw the people enjoying and all the children's kids were enjoying on that roundabout and they were laughing and giggling and enjoying themselves on the roundabout. So accumulating all his guts, उसने वो पूछने की हिम्मत कर ही ली अपने फादर से. He said that I want to sit on that roundabout. I want to sit on that roundabout. In spite he would knew in his heart that his parents would never allow him, but still he got the guts and he asked his parents that I want to sit in that roundabout. I want to sit in that roundabout. Moreover, he asked them and he got no answer. So he turned around. So there were no parents, neither father not mother. So now he became very tensed and he started crying. He started running here and there and calling out father, mother. He started crying and in the shrill voice he started calling out his parents, father, mother. So From there, he went to at the place where temple was there, and there was where crowd was in a very huge number. So he was jostling among that crowds. Many of the feet were tempered. उसके पैर पर पैर रख के बहुत सारे जन चले गए क्योंकि वो बच्चा था, वो दिख नहीं रहा था इतने क्राउड में. But he started crying. He did not find them and he started crying. So a very good-hearted person, a kind person, took him in his arms. बोले बच्चे आप किसके बच्चे हो? Where is your parents? What is the address of your house? आप क्यों रो रहे हो? तो एक सज्जन ने उसको उठा लिया और उसको पूछा कि भाई आपके पेरेंट्स कौन है, आप कैसे खो गए? But the child was in no mood of the answer. He was giving just a one cry. I want my mother, I want my father. So trying to console him, उसको चुप रखने के लिए. अब जैसे छोटा बच्चा रोता है कभी हमारे घर में, तो हम उसको ऐसा बोलते हैं चलो चलो चॉकलेट लेते हैं, या फिर आप एक्शंस करते हो जिससे वो बच्चा हंस पड़े. बट हियर द चाइल्ड वॉज इनकंसोलेबल. वो इतनी जोर जोर से रो रहा था और वो एक ही चीज मांग रहा था, आई वॉन्ट माई मदर, आई वॉन्ट माई फादर. Happened what? The child was very tense because neither his father was there, neither his mother was there, and he could not see both of them. Moreover, to console him, the kind-hearted person gave him all the option to buy the things which he wanted first. उसको जो चीज़ पहले चाहिए थी, वो सज्जन ने बोला कि भाई मैं आपको वो सब चीज़ें दिलाता हूँ. पहले तो वो आए स्नेक चार्मर के पास, तो बोले आई डोंट वांट, आई वांट टू माय फादर, आई वांट माय मदर. देन ही वाज सेइंग सी हाउ मेनी स्वीट्स आर देयर, डिफरेंट कलर्स स्वीट्स आर देयर, गुलाब जामुन इज देयर, बर्फी इज देयर. सो ही सेड डू यू वांट वन? He said, the child, you want one, but the child gave him denial. He said that I want my mother, I want my father. The child was crying continuously. Then he said, would you like to buy a गुलमोहर गार्लैंड? मैंने बताया था पहले भी कि उसको गुलमोहर गार्लैंड दिखा था, तो वो उसको वो चाहिए था. He said that do you want to buy the गुलमोहर गार्लैंड? So he said, no, I don't want. यानी वो आंसर ही नहीं दे रहा था. He was giving only one cry, I want my mother, I want my father. Then he came to the balloon show, the person who was selling balloon. Okay, so the person was having the handlebar and the balloons were ticked on that handlebar. So he said, do you want to buy this rainbow colored balloon? See how nice they look. That man asked the child, but the child was in a no mood of answering. He was giving only one cry, I want my mother, I want my father. Second, so then he said that do you want to sit in the roundabout? But child was giving only one answer, I want my father, I want my mother. So all the things which the child wanted to do previously, okay, and he also gave him the option that do you want to buy the toy from this good toy shop? But the child was still crying, I want my mother, I want my father. So all the things that child wanted, one after the other. First he went to toy shop, but he was denied. But the person gave him that if you want to buy the toy. He also said that if you want to eat the sweets. He also said him that you want a garland of gulmohar. Then he also asked him whether he wanted to watch the snake charmer show. He also, these things were all the things that child wanted first. But child forgot everything because he was in the sorrow. He was in the tension that he could not find his parents. And he gave only one cry. He wanted his mother, he wanted his father. So child forgot everything that he wanted and he gave only one cry. He wanted his mother, he wanted his father. Thank you.